Hi, in front of me is Realme 8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can use easy mode on this device. First of all, go into settings. Now choose home screen, lock screen and always on display. Go into home screen mode, scroll down a bit and tap on the simple one. Now click apply and choose switch. As you can see, easy mode is now turned on. If you wish to go back into the standard one, all you need to do is click on the same settings, go back into home screen, lock screen and always on display, tap on home screen mode, scroll down and pick any other one. For example, standard. Now tap apply, click switch, and that's it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!